welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can remove someone from your Instagram follower list. Okay, if you think that you don't wanna block someone, then you can easily remove them from your follower list. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this, and after that here you can see the option appearance, the home page. So you have to go your profile, click here your profile, and then click on the follower option. So here you can see I have 6 followers now. So you want to remove, just select their account. I select the first one. Here you can see the option, and after that what you should do, just click here. Here you can see the option 3-dot line. Click on this, and after that here you can see the option remove follower. So when you click remove follower, then this user will not be available in your follower list. So just simply click remove follower, remove, and then you can see there is no he is not available in my follower list. So now it's the 5 follower in my Instagram ID. Okay friend, I hope this video is so easy to you, and consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.